Hello and welcome guys. Thank you so much for being here again. So today we'll be talking about the life cycle of the domain names. So let's get started. In order to reserve a domain name as a registrant, you must register it with an ICANN accredited registrar. The registrar will check if the domain name is available for registration, then create a WHOIS record with the domain name registrant information. You cannot buy a domain name permanently. Domain name registration is done on a yearly basis. However, you can prepay for up to 10 years, which guarantees that you will have a domain name for the next 10 years. According to ICANN, an expired domain name becomes available to use by others after 80 days or so from the day of expiration. If you, as a registrant, didn't renew your domain name with the registrar, the domain name will expire following a grace period. Expired domains may be auctioned off by the registrar itself. You usually must renew your domain name once a year to keep it active. The company that issued your domain name should remind you to do that before your domain name expires. So now we'll be talking about when a domain name will be expired. A domain becomes expired one day after its expiration date. While a domain is expired, the email will stop working and its website is replaced with a parked page indicating that the domain name has expired. Renewing your domain when it's expired will return it to normal and allow your website and email to start working again. You can renew your domain at the normal renewal rates as long as it hasn't been expired long enough, no more than 45 days, to reach redemption status or purchased by a third party. Redemption period. A domain typically enters redemption about 45 days after its expiration date if it's not renewed or purchased by a third party. However, certain top-level domains may enter redemption status the day after the domain's expiration date. While every registrar handles the redemption period differently, the redemption period commonly lasts for 30 days until the domain enters pending deletion status. When your domain is in redemption status, you can still return your domain to normal by paying a redemption fee in addition to the normal domain renewal rate. The redemption fee will cost more than $100. Then, pending deletion period. Once a domain enters pending deletion status, the domain cannot be redeemed or changed in any way. The domain will be held for about 5 days before it's released back into the public for new registration. Once the domain is available for new registration again, it can be registered at the normal domain registration rates. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you got some value from this video. See you in the next video. Mustapha was here, MrFulltime.com.